From as far back as I can possibly remember, I've always had a fascination with cars. One of my earliest memories with my father, we're driving down the highway. I see a car just fly past us, and in excitement I'm like, Dad, look at that car, Dad, look at that car. And he's like, yeah, that's a nice car, son. And I'm like, Dad, what is it? That car is so beautiful. And he said, it's a Porsche. And I said, well, Dad, why don't you get one of those? I want us to drive in a Porsche. That car looks awesome. And he said, classic thing a father would say. Well, those cars are about the price of a house. So I can only afford one or the other. Which one do you want? Do you want to be in a nice, fancy, very fast car, or do you want to be living in your home? I was like, all right, fine. I guess I prefer living in a home. And then he continued and he gave me, one of those life lessons. And he said, well, when you're older, you can get one of those cars. I want to create a following. I want to create a movement, and that's where the name BuildNMotion is derived from. I want to create a movement of viewers and friends that together help decide on a vehicle that we will modify and build out together. And we will do everything from choosing what kind of steering wheel to install, what kind of taillights to install, body kits, maybe wide body kit, headlights. We're going to take a vehicle essentially that we all choose together through online polls, and we will modify it, and it's going to be our build. Are you guys gonna want a Challenger? Maybe a Charger. Maybe a red Challenger. Tongue twisters, I tell you. Maybe some of you out there will want a minivan. This channel is gonna be more than just about cars. I am going to talk about healthy lifestyle, food, green living, thinking positive, entrepreneurship, my relationship. It's going to be a type of vlog that appeals to all sorts of people, from the do-it-yourself guys that will watch my videos, in their garages, they're trying to do something to their car, to mom and pops at home that, might find something of interest that I talk about in my life. One of the exciting goals I have for this channel is to create a sweepstakes with a car giveaway. This sweepstakes does not exist yet. This can and will only happen if we get enough subscribers and views to monetize this channel. Once we get the word out and this idea becomes viral, then we'll have the funds to go out and actually purchase a used vehicle. Sorry guys, I doubt we'll have enough money to buy a brand new car, but who wants to modify a brand new car anyway? When we're done modifying the car, we're gonna give it away. I mean, how exciting is that? You can literally have a say in which mods are installed in this vehicle by simply participating in future online polls. I hope that this channel creates some inspiration. Maybe it'll inspire you to go out and chase after that business idea that you've always wanted. Or perhaps it'll motivate you to leave that job that you're unhappy with and pursue the actual career that you're passionate about. Or it'll inspire you to eat healthier, eat more vegetables, more greens, and live a healthier lifestyle and work out. Maybe it'll inspire you to go out and buy that dream car that you always wanted. Or you'll simply enjoy the content and you'll look forward to watching our channel at the end of your day. So guys, subscribe, show us your support, and tell everyone you know. With all that being said, I introduce you to BuildNMotion.